Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a triangle circle coffee table. First of all, we have to make a three-side polygon. You can use the triangle with a radius around 360. So I have to offset it inside to make a thickness of this frame support. Then we have to push it up until 100 millimeter approximately. So then we can make component create. So then we can just move and press Control, and we can rotate it just a little bit, and we can move it to the upper position. So then we can rotate to the reverse position. So then we can make a circle with the circle tool, and then we can place on the top of the triangle support. So then we can push it up. Okay, and then we can make group, and we can make the glass material with another color. Okay, so then we can make another wood material of it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.